Our CES 2020 coverage is made possible thanks to EK, MSI, Thermaltake, Patriot, Lian Li, XPG, ViewSonic Elite, ECS Elite Group, and Creative. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and while we were at CES 2020, we stopped by MSI, and in typical MSI fashion, they had a lot to show off. But one of the products is, well, a little bit frustrating, purely because I really liked it, and apparently they're never going to bring it to market. So that kind of feels like a bit of a hollow product, and, well, a hollow video, really. But let me kind of delve through it. So basically what it was a coffee table, and it kind of had an IKEA-esque kind of look to it. And as you see the B-roll, you'll see exactly what I mean. It looked absolutely fantastic, and there was quite a lot of method behind the madness as well. So what they wanted was something that you could use in your living room that kind of, had two functions. One of them would be as use as a computer, and everything was contained into the single coffee table. And with that, you'd actually be able to kind of put everything away and just have it, usable as a coffee table, as opposed to a bit like a desk, shall we say. So what we actually had inside was a full MSI Corsair setup. So everything was featuring Corsair products, so that's everything from the memory to the power supply, as well as all the Hydro X custom loop stuff. And as you can see, it does look pretty damn amazing. At the heart of it was an MSI Creator Series motherboard, and it just looked properly tricked out with kind of everything that you'd expect on the high-end scale. Now, it didn't kind of stop there, because we did actually have one of the MSI, looked like the Prestige series range of monitors, on an arm that actually goes down into actually inside of the coffee table, so it could be hidden out of the way, out of sight and out of mind for when you're not using it. Now, we did actually speak to the MSI representatives, and they were actually quite clear that they wanted to add some motorized functionality to it. So maybe through the switch of a click of a button or a switch, the monitor would actually fold down and go inside the coffee table, and then the drawer would just close shut on it, I guess. But because they didn't really have the time, and the fact that the product's not essentially actually even going to be coming to market, they didn't really see the point in doing it, which is a little bit frustrating. So I'm hoping maybe with your guys' help, you may be able to get that interest going across social media, and obviously give this video a like and a comment as well, and let me know if this is something you'd actually like to see. I honestly thought that it was really good. So some of the other kind of functionality of it as well is the fact that it has got Qi chargers on each side. These are proprietary ones from Belkin, but again, it's the sort of thing that you'd want to have on a device like this that really ticks all of the boxes that you'd need for that stay-at-home gaming, working experience that I guess is what MSI are really trying to aim for. Now, on top of this, they did actually have a keyboard and mouse just to, again, show what the whole ecosystem is going to look like. And this was a bit of a weird one, I'm going to be honest, purely because they basically said that it comes in these certain sort of colours. It's going to be part of the Creator series. To me, it looked like it was actually part of the Prestige series because it was in a white, silver kind of colour scheme. But they made it clear that it has a few extra pieces of... I'm trying to word this really right now. A few extra pieces of, not even technology, but basically you can wipe it clean. That to me rings alarm bells, especially in your living room. You've got a keyboard and mouse. I don't know where my mind's going with it. Maybe you guys are thinking completely differently to me and I need to get my mind out the gutter. But they said that it can be wiped clean. I think they're actually erring on the side of the colour not fading on the white keyboard and everything looking clean, crisp, and sort of having that professional vibe to it. But as soon as they said that to me, my mind just went off into a different direction. So yeah, maybe it's just me. Let me know again in the comment section below. Overall though, I think it's a really nice product, and I really do hope that it does get enough interest that they can bring it to market, and maybe we will see it in the future, maybe even in an IKEA store. Maybe it's something that they could do as a little bit of a collaboration. Either way, I'm excited that MSI are branching out of the mundane black and red and gaming sort of element side of things, and they're realizing that there's maybe a completely different market on the higher end of the scale, maybe people who want to do a little bit of production but they still want to game on the side and maybe do some other things as well. Ugh. Either way, guys, let me know if you like this video by letting me know in the comment section below, and stay tuned for more coverage from CES 2020. Yeah, weird one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.